Passion is not only about making money and career, it is about knowing your inner self and how many of we really reach the path which we really want to see. Whatever is your passion, you should work on it, and age is no bar for that. Recently, I realized that I love stage. Since it was my childhood passion, but I was not able to pursue it, I got married at a very early age, and today I'm blessed with a daughter. She's doing MBBS in Bangalore, and my younger one is 6 years old. So in all these space, I was just looking for things where I can look after them and, do things which I can do along with them. Last 2-3 years back, I realized that since stage was my passion, so I just jumped into TV. Last year, I conducted a TV show for 1 year. It was called Zindagi Delhi Live. I produced it, hosted it, anchored it, and brought a lot of ladies who shared their journeys of progress on TV, which gave them a landmark. So I started my journey. Why do we need to have passion? This is very important, and we should keep on searching this question. I will share a very small short story. For example, we all are in a jungle with our own axes in our hand, and we have to search our own path. Similarly is our lives. Now everybody has got the axe to search and chop the trees and make your own path. And how many of we really reach the path which we really want to see? I think most of the people are actually just wandering in those jungles, looking which way to go. Why? Either we are scared of the denseness of the forest, or we get panic. This same metaphor works in our potential careers. We all are working in different fields, chopping our trees to reach the success goals we want in our life. But just imagine, after 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, when we realize that the jungle we have chopped has brought us on the end of another jungle, how will we feel? We'll really feel very bad about it. So it's very much important. Keep on asking yourself, time to time, I'm happy, whether I'm happy doing this. Is this the jungle I really wanted to chop myself, chop the trees and make place for myself? Am I, whatever I'm doing today, after 5 years also, I will be happy doing this? When we keep on asking these type of questions to ourselves, we really keep on searching better of ourselves. It's not about making our living. It's about making our life. Do you agree? Yes. And I think this is a great message we can give to our children also, to follow your passion so that you are happy from yourself. Passion is not only about making money and career. It is about knowing your inner self, your authenticity, your authenticness of your own inner world. So once you find your passion, you will start enjoying whatever you are doing. We all are in search of our success in our fields. Am I right? We all want to be successful. But the type of energy, enthusiasm, and time we need to give to it only comes when we are passionate about what we are doing in our life. Do you agree? Thank you so much. Second thing I want to tell, most of the people feel that how do we find our passion? I will just share 2-3 simple strategies which can help you to tell yourself and to your children also, so that it can help them to find their passions at right age. Not at the age of 43, 45, when I'm searching about my passion. So the most important thing is, ask yourself, am I happy what I'm doing? Number 1. Number 2, can I put all the time, energy, enthusiasm without any foundation when I'm doing this, or I'm just considering how much time I'm putting into it, whether this energy is fruitful or not. Because the time you start comparing the time of energy you are putting to any job or profession, you will not give 100% to it. Why? Because you are making analytics. And when you analyze things, you will not put your 100% and you will not get success, because success needs you to put everything 100% into it. Second thing is, if this strategy doesn't work for you, you can just see what sort of inspirational models you are inspired by and what are their qualities which influence you. For example, I'm always influenced by Amitabh Bachchan from my childhood. एंड आई फील कि उनकी डिटर्मिनेशन, कमिटमेंट और एनर्जी देख के मुझे लगता है मैं अभी भी और बहुत सारा काम कर सकती हूँ. सो दिस ड्राइव्स मी. ओके, इफ अमिताभ बच्चन कैन डू इट, आई कैन ऑल्सो डू इट. Second thing which influences me is Kiran Bedi ji. Since my childhood, I've seen her, exploring, adventuring, so many powerful things. And उनके social activist attitude ने ही मुझे ये mission दिया so that I should help other women, to grow in life. And I'm blessed, I'm helping, and God is giving me that strength to help so many women to, add some values to their own families. Third inspiration, which I think for me is Albert Einstein. Tried, tested so many things in his life, but still he never failed. Not internally he never failed, though he failed thousands of times. But he always, he had his high aim that he will reach whatever he wants to reach. So am I. So if this formula also works for you, just see what are the inspirational models of your life, connect those dots with your own personality, and see what will be the things finally that will make you passionate about. Third important thing which can also help you is see what are the things you love doing and just connect it with the demand in the market. If I think about the soap and cosmetic manufacturing, I did that course from more than 6-7 teachers all over the world. And then I realized everybody is in competition of creating things with chemicals. Why not after learning all this, I create something unique with the kitchen ingredients? So my order of soaps is not like इस चीज़ का उस चीज़ का, माइन इस हल्दी का, गुड़ का, चने की दाल का, चावल का, शहद का, नींबू का, नमक का. So I thought I should create something which people want. Authentic things, original things, homemade things. I created these blends with my shampoos also, and they worked. I created these blends with my face packs also, and they worked. So just try what does actually the market needs. You connect your passion with the needs, and third thing you need for that is to build and polish your skills. So if you meet all these three things, your passion, your skill, and the demand, the people you want to serve, you will get your mojo of life. I think that's all from my side. Thank you so much. And मैं एक ही बात कहना चाहूँगी, सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक जिन्होंने छत पर जाना है. सीढ़ियाँ उनको मुबारक जिन्हें छत पर जाना है. मेरी उड़ान तो आसमान तक है, मुझे रास्ता भी खुद ही बनाना है. थैंक यू सो मच.